So we have a cute little geometry problem here. So the picture shows 4 squares, and the sides of the smaller squares are 12 units long. How long are the sides of the greater square? And then find the area of the shaded triangle. All right, so again, we're going to try to draw a reasonable picture. So first, let's start with 3 squares of the same size. And there is a 4th square bigger than the others, and the question is that size determined by these 3 squares? Let's see. So one of these sides are created by just connecting the farthest points, but the other one is created by connecting a closer vertex with the very top here. Oh, no. I think the big square is determined by the small one because we keep going. Should gonna look further for a square. So just by drawing a reasonable picture, we understand what side or what angle demands the others. This looks like squarish, something like this. Right, and then the other line is we're connecting this top of big square with a closer vertex like that. And so just drawing a picture, we understand that the big square cannot be any size big. It's determined by the rest. And what that means is that determined by the size of the smaller squares. So how can we find the big side? Well, one thing that actually, this is a line we should ignore right here, because what seems obvious to me is that there is a right triangle here where the shorter sides are in a ratio of 1 to 3. Right? We just piled up the same square next to each other, and so this right triangle, around the right triangle, those shorter sides are in a ratio of 1 to 3. Now, this angle here is the same as this angle because both rays forming the angle are parallel. In case of this one, it's even the same line. So that means we have 2 right triangles with the same 2 angles, therefore the same 3 angles. So this triangle here is similar to this other one. And that means that if this is x, this is 3x. And this is 12. And this is a square. Therefore, 3x has to be the same as x plus 12, right? So we have the quite simple equation that 3x equals x plus 12. So 2x is 12. X is 6. And that was the first question. Oh, no, the first question was, how long are the sides of the greater square? So we labeled the greater side 3x. So the side 3x is 3 times 6, it's 18. So that's the first thing we found. Let's check. 18 units. So far so good. And now we have to find the area of the shaded triangle. This one looks pretty freakish, but if we just think of it in terms of base times height over 2, well, if this is the base, we know that, that's 12. And this is the height, as weird as it looks, this is the height, and that's 18. So the area is 1/2 base times height, and that's 9 times 12 is 100, it's 108. 120 minus 12. 9 times 12 is 108. And so 108 squared unit would be the area of the shaded triangle. So we have the right answer. Thank you for watching.